Hi everyone, this is Anne. I wanted to share with you 5 beauty products that really work, and to me these are must-have beauty items. Currently, they are all under $30, and the reason I say currently is because I have done some videos in the past where the items that I showed sold out, and when they got restocked, they came back at a slightly higher price point. So it's a really good reason for you to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and be sure to click that notification bell so that you're notified when I post a new video in case there's an item that you're interested in. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing with you the 5 beauty items under $30 that I have had great improvement from. And I will list and link all the items that I showed down beneath this video in the description box, as well as in the first comment under this video. I'll also link in that same description box and first comment any videos that I may have done on these products in case you want to learn more about a certain product. I would love to hear from you down in the comments section if you've tried any of these 5 products. And if you don't already know, I am 52, I don't have Botox fillers or any facial surgery. I'm just trying to age as well as I can by using at-home treatments and topical products. So finding items that actually work is so important to me. And I wanted to share these because I have seen great improvement myself with these products, and hopefully they can help someone else. I guess I'll start this with the item that has impacted me the very most and I have seen the greatest improvement from. And a little bit of back history, nearly 7 years ago I had double under eye bags. And I'll put a little photo up somewhere on the screen showing my under eye bags. And that is not technically a before photo because I was not doing any videos then. That's just a photo that showed my under eye bags. I had tried nearly everything to reduce my under eye bags and nothing worked. So I did a lot of research trying to find out what could shrink fat deposits caused by fat prolapse, which is a major cause of under eye bags, especially as we age. And I found that L-carnitine can help to shrink fat deposits. So I found a product by NIVEA, and I used this on my under eye bags nightly for 2 to 3 months, and I just used a little bit of it and put it right on my under eye bag as my last product on every night for the 2 to 3 months, and my under eye bags have been gone ever since, and that has been nearly 7 years ago. So if you have fat prolapse under eye bags, this is definitely worth giving a try. The US product did sell out after I did my original video on it about 3 years ago. So they do have the European version, which is the same product, it's just under a different name. And I will link this product down beneath this video along with my playlist of videos that I have on this product. Another item that I've seen great improvement from over the years is microneedling at home. And I use a derma stamp and also a derma roller. And I have a whole playlist of videos on different areas of my face using these 2 microneedling tools. And I'll just link that playlist down beneath this video in case you're interested in seeing that. But I think microneedling is the best at-home anti-aging device that you can use to build new collagen within your skin and help to anti-age your skin and reduce lines and wrinkles. One of the best key ingredients that you can use in an anti-aging nighttime product is vitamin A. And my very favorite vitamin A product is from France, and this is the A313. I consider this French retin-a, even though it's not technically retin-a, it has 3 retinols in it, and then it's in an ointment base, which helps it to penetrate the skin deeper and therefore work better. It also is non-irritating. And if you don't like the ointment feel, I would suggest just mixing a little bit of your favorite moisturizer in with this product before you apply it. I've been using this for the last 10 months and I have seen a lot of improvement to my skin. Just kind of overall healthier looking skin, a more even skin tone, and I feel like my wrinkles and lines have been lessened. So I do really love this product and will continue to use it. And if you don't currently have a vitamin A product in your nighttime routine, or you're looking for one that works really well, I would highly suggest this product. Another skincare product that I've seen great improvement from is a glycolic facial scrub, and this has 3% glycolic acid in it. I like to use this scrub nearly every morning. I apply it to my face, my neck, my upper chest, the backs of my hands, and over my lips to exfoliate my lips. I just apply a little bit to my damp fingertips, and then I work it in circular motions. I leave it on my skin for about a minute or two, and then I go back in and work it in circular motions again before I rinse it off. And this has sand-like particles to it, plus the glycolic acid helps to loosen up the dead skin cells, and it just helps your skin to look healthier. It gives you a nice glow, and it removes those dead skin cells off the surface of your skin. Next, I have a hair care product that I have seen a lot of improvement in my hair with, and this is for all you blondes out there. This is a toning product, and it tones brassiness in blonde hair. This is a deeply moisturizing hair mask that is highly pigmented with the purple pigment to counteract brassy tones in blonde hair. And anytime I would use the toning shampoos, it would really dry out my hair. So this product is a great way to tone brassiness in my hair and deeply condition my hair at the same time. I use this product about once a week. I just put it on in the shower, leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I rinse it out. And it does a great job at toning the hair and moisturizing it so it does not dry out your hair at all. This is a great product, and if you've never tried it and have blonde hair, I would highly recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hearing the 5 beauty products under $30 that I have seen the greatest improvement from. If you know of anyone who might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it with them. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it.